The 2015 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, fog lamps, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.